Continue, don't worry. Thank you. Come closer. Come closer. Come closer. Say. You can sit down. You can sit down. You can sit down. Hey, go back. Go right. 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 Everybody, you can sit down. Thank you. Let's welcome the bride and the groom to the dance floor. I know we still want to dance. Don't worry, we have enough time. We have enough time. Thank you, my brother. Okay. Okay, please come closer. Come closer. Come closer. Spends more money. Okay, between both of you, who is the better driver? You see, they are both good. Thank you. Between both of you, who is very good at planning surprises? Who is very good at planning surprises? Beautiful. Okay. Between both of you, who spend more time on phone? Okay, we know the answer to this one I want to ask, but let's just confirm. Between both of you, who spend the most time getting ready for an event? Unopposed. Okay, between both of you, who is more adventurous? When it comes to adventures, trying new things and the rest of them, who is better? Beautiful. Okay, between both of you, who is the best dancer? We saw it too. We saw it too. Okay, finally. Who is always, because I know this is one of the things that has kept this union. And for those of us that are not married like myself, after now you can come and ask them for past questions so that you study it. Between both of you, who is always the first to say, I'm sorry? Oh, child. God when? Somebody say God when? God when. Okay. Okay, so the last but not the least. Who is always the first to remind each other how much they love them? Please put your hands together for them. Thank you. So at this point we'll have the first dance. Thank you. Please, this is what we do. Let's go.
Thank you.